Hi, this is V.S. Manjunath. Today I am going to talk about how appreciation and expression of gratitude have helped me in my career. I have been in the automotive manufacturing industry for the last 30 years and I have worked in various companies of repute. In the last 30 years, I have realized that a sales and marketing professional will be successful if and only if all the departments in his company wholeheartedly supports him to win the businesses. For example, as a sales and marketing professional, if you are bidding for a big business, engineering has to give you the best design, manufacturing has to give you the best processes, purchasing has to get the best raw material costs, finance has to run the best business case, and so many other things. If all these people put their body, mind and soul into this, you will definitely be able to beat the competition and the chances of you winning the business is brighter. Similarly, when you have a new customer visit, it is also very important that every person in the organization understands the importance. In our industry, normally a customer relationship is a lifetime. Unless and until you goof up and lose that business, you are there forever, as long as you meet the quality, cost, delivery, performance of the customers. So when a customer visits, from the security to CEO, it is very important that everyone puts in their best. Security has to ensure that the gate pass procedures are observed as per the policy. Then receptionist has to offer a warm welcome. Admin has to support by on-time supply of food, beverages, logistics support, etc. More importantly, technical team has to ensure that the samples, current and futuristic, are working and in the best condition during the customer demonstration. Shop floor people have to ensure that the shop floor is very clean and the processes are best in class. All this helps to make your customer feel that he is visiting an organization of world class. So how to get all the people support you? What to do for that? Here is the most trusted method which I have been following for years, which I would like to share with you. Normally what I do is I establish a good connection with all the departments and their HODs. I always ensure that I stand by them during the crisis time. I also ensure that the concerned person in their department gets the right amount of recognition in the organization in whatever best possible way I could do. Similarly, whenever they come to me with a problem, I give my 100% attention to support them. There are so many occasions in an organization that people will be working round the clock. For example, an operator could be working day in and day out to supply, manufacture a critical part. Purchase department would be working long hours to get the part inside the organization. Logistics department would be working with multiple transport agencies to ensure that the parts are delivered to the customer. And the engineering department must be working day in and day out to fix an issue. So all these people, what they need is a good appreciation and someone going and telling them that, hey guys, you have done the best job. Your contribution to the organization is very immense and I really appreciate it. This is what they expect. They don't expect normally monetary benefits, never. The only thing that they expect is a piece of appreciation. This is exactly what I do. I go to each one of them and thank them immensely for their contribution, and I also explain them how their efforts enhance the image of the organization. This way, they know that this guy is a genuine guy, and whenever I want anything, they always are there for me to run that extra mile and help me to achieve my goals better. Thank you very much for watching this video. I would request you to share your feedback in the comment box. At the same time, if you have experienced such a thing in your career, kindly do share it with me. I will meet you next week with some other topic. Thank you very much.